Man, it's TB Omari, man. I'm about to do this remix of Too Much Sauce. Shout out to Future, shout out Lil Uzi Vert for making this shit, man. You know I had to kill it.
High as fuck like an albatross. I be lit as fuck with all my dogs. I didn't know this life right here was made for real niggas like me to take a loss. Hopping out of 911 Porsche like a fucking frog. And I was making hits by myself, chilling on a fucking log. I was smoking on the loudest of the loud. Too much noise, the woods asked me turn it down. Uzi said faking a G can't fool us. TB Omari, I'm scary, I pop up like a tumor. Orthodontist, yeah, I'm equipped with the floss. Catching bullets, number 84, you Randy Moss. Why the fuck Mickey D's acting real stingy with they fucking sauce? All I wanted was some barbecue with a little bit of ranch. Just on some word, you know I just spent my whole college grand. Real nigga never sack my pants. Call up my fucking Trinidadians. They gon' bring out the steel plans. Shout out the Money Ranch to the fucking end. Trust and believe I'ma become a legend. If I'm making in this rap shit, no more slacking. Just make sure like Kodak that my son is a better kid. All the Mars is on my black ass wrist. And I'm fresher than some motherfucking winter friends. All this latness, I'm just trying to share it. Since legit, I never really learned my lesson. I don't know if this a curse or blessing. It don't matter cause TBO, I'm restless. They're the ones who cared about me.